guys, welcome back to another Shark Bite Roblox video where I'm going to be joined by Buddy once again and it's Christmas night once again. Yay! Oh, it's amazing. Ooh, double sharks! 2 sharks shall be chosen.
Then we got us. We've only got 3%.
Oh, I saw you come up. Sophia 4-6. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
There might be something.
I don't know. Isn't it like summer or something like that? Ooh, let's go with the canopy bot. No, the Flying Dutchman because there'll be 2 sharks.
The Flying Dutchman
Flying Dutchman will be able to outrun them, and let's keep other people safe as well. Oh, look, we all 3 of us have the exact ending. We're running 07 at the end of our name. Look, Stop is 007, Bop is 007, Fire is 07. Whatever it said. Anyway, so it's not often you see the Flying Dutchman on Christmas. Usually you'd see it on Halloween. It's the shark. Well, there's another shark, hopefully. Oh, you might want to sit down, bro. No. Don't sit. No, sit down. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no, he fell off. I'm so sorry.
There's no ladder.
I'm so sorry, bro. Sorry, I couldn't get. I just knocked him off. Hopefully the shark isn't coming.
Look at sees him.
You'll see him. No, just get on, bro. No, he can't get on.
No, it does go.
Can you get in the teeth? Get in the teeth. Oh, look at that! That's so cool. But I want to help this guy. I'm helping you. I want to help him. Oh, come on. You get us.
Come in.
Oh no. Shark.
I think he found the second thing.
Phew, that was close.
Somebody saved that.
Okay. This will scare him good.
And now he knows it's a Flying Dutchman. And now I think he might kill us first.
No, I'm sure he. Look, yeah, look. Look. He already killed someone. Oh no, that's not the guy that was on our boat. Good. Everything is fine. Look, it's the stealth boat again. It's that stealth boat.
Ted, focus.
Oh, we need to go get on it. Wait for us.
I think the shark. The shark.
Oh no, we got it. Oh no, he didn't. Oh, the shark is stuck. He's stuck. Okay, let's head over to him because I think he is stuck. Okay, no he isn't. Oh, no. Ah! Phew, that was close. I thought I'd be dead. And oh, there's the other one.
We really hate that if it was daytime.
Yeah. Look at that. And there's the sleigh. Santa's sleigh is right there.
That's bumpy.
No, that's rude. Okay, we're okay.
I think I can stop that.
How are you doing there, buddy? Are you okay?
I don't know where the shark
Oh look, I'm
is.
above
Which
the
means
shark.
I can't shoot the shark.
I'm above the
It means we're in big trouble.
No, we're not, buddy. This is the fast boat. Both of them are great white sharks. We can outrun them. We can. So we'll be. This is like the best boat on the lake, I think. Oh no. Sharks just gobbled up that shark just gobbled up that one. Oh no, he's after us. We can outrun him.
Fast is fine.
Look how fast we're going.
Wow, you almost survived for like the whole round.
Yeah. Whoa! It shined on us. Oh, that's so cool. I love this man. I love this music we're getting. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh my, I'm not concentrating. I'm sailing the boat. Oh no! Are these guys okay? We don't have a ladder though. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming for us. Time's up, but yeah, keep going. He's coming for us. Jack has been killed. Yay! We did it!
Survival.
Yes! Aw, little doggy. He's a nice Christmas doggy. Yay! You're not Santa Claus.
How do you get
Jaws.
5 shark teeth?
We get 5 shark teeth. Award me Rudolph shark. Every survivor that's killed will be a shark into the grand standing. Merry Christmas, Santa. Do I have the Rudolph shark now? I've got the Rudolph shark. Equip. So next time I'll be the shark, I'll be going for the Rudolph shark. Let's go. Let's go for a green jet ski. Because why not? I'm gonna invite you over. Everything will be fine.
Is that anyone else?
Yes, it is, Santa. Yes, it is.
Someone has left the game.
You. Oh, jeez. Come on. So you don't waste any shot. You don't waste any presents whatsoever. Hammerhead! What a hammerhead shark!
Aren't they? Aren't they fun? Oh, sucks.
I don't know. Oh look, there's a stealth boat again. There's a stealth boat again. Hello. Oh, let's try go. Let's follow it. Oh,
Wait! Almost 100. They'll fly away from us.
oh look, there's a gift over here.
Well, let's go get it.
Somebody just shot it down, but let's take it. I'm such a thief. I feel so bad. I've just stolen somebody's gift. I feel so bad. I just stole somebody's gift. Oh no.
There he is.
Ow. Oh, I'm shooting my flippers. Uh-oh. Look. Oh, I got it. Okay, these guys can shoot the shark. Please don't be after us. Okay, good. He's after.
Okay.
I think he's after that stuff. Oh no! Another shark! Oh! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Jeez. Oh no!
Why did
oh.
we do that?
Okay.
Then?
We seem to be
I'm
sharks.
going after the stealth boat.
Oh, I can see my Rudolph nose. Hey, buddy, if you see a Rudolph shark, that's me. Oh, nom. There's some people over here. Come on, beat this guy in a race. Yes. You're a ghost shark. I'm a Rudolph shark. I am. Look, I think I can say. Oh, ow, dude. He's gonna get him. Oh, he got him. Come on. Oh, I got someone. Wait, is that you right there? Oh no, that's the actual shark. How do I get out? Oh, come on, get it. Okay.
I'm following a stealth boat.
Okay. There's a stealth boat. I'm going after a stealth boat as well. there a stealth boat? Oh no, he's shooting.
I'm going after one as well.
He's shooting that shark.
I see you.
Oh, I see our boat. I'm a Rudolph shark. You can see my little nose poking up on top. It's above the word shark health. If you guys can see, look, there's a if you guys can see at the top of shark health.
Says we're both after the same one.
Oh, you're a ghost shark, aren't you?
So they won't.
It's underwater.
So they won't see me and they won't shoot me. Which means.
Oh, hi, buddy! I can see you, buddy. There's a ghost. If you see a ghost shark coming next to you, that's me. Is there a ghost shark next to you? I mean, a Rudolph shark. Oh, you're wickedly fast. Bro, wicked. That's amazing. Okay. Okay, so
I'm gonna sneak up on them.
we can set up an ambush. Look, that guy. He's in front of you. Okay. You know what? Coming over here.
Let's make an ambush.
We can set up an ambush. Look at that. We're nearly there. I can get him.
Go, go.
I should have gone really fast with our Rudolph shark.
Oh man, we didn't kill anyone.
Oh. There was only like 3 sharks, I guess. There was some.
Wonderful time of the year.
Yes, it is, Santa. Yes, it is.
Ah,
Ho, ho, ho. How do I earn a free reward? Yes, collect. So we'd love to get like RGB turret sleigh. What the heck is an RGB turret sleigh? I'd love to get
maybe Santa went after the
All
cell
blessed
phone.
days, my friends.
And anyway, let's head over to the. Let's go Santa sleigh.
Can I invite you?
Oh, you invite me. What the? Why?
Wait, no.
There we go, that's more like it. I was like, what? Why do you invite me to the worst boat? But you're not.
I would never.
Of course you wouldn't. You're my brother. Why would you? Why would you? Okay. So I'm driving. Sit in a seat, buddy. Grab a seat. Just like grab a bag. Jeez, there we go, that's one. Better run. Look at this guy, he's got a Rudolph shark as well, yay!
Our Rudolph starts fast.
I know, look at this, we got a penguin. We're on a penguin right now, guys. Oh, it's so cool. Hello, okay, these guys just picked the worst boat. You guys, she needs to hop on. No, come on, hop on. Get on, you've literally picked the worst boat.
Okay, come on.
Oh look, that's the stealth boat again. Okay, it's gone invisible. We can still see it. Let's go after it again.
When it's invisible.
I think I've caught a stealth.
Kind of like how
Hello.
ghosts are invisible.
Yes, you got a ghost shark. So you're not very easy to see except the red eyes that you have.
Yeah, you can only see my eye.
Oh look, there's a gift up there. Look. Oh no. Oh no. Get away. Oh no, I heard the shark. It's the shark. You know what? Reload. Ah! Shark's swimming underneath us. He's trying to set up an ambush. If I can zoom out. He just went straight past us. Oh, I can't shoot him. The walls are too big.
Hold us steady.
No. Oh, that was so close. Oh no, he's heading over.
Hold us steady.
He's heading right there. Whoa. hydrofoil. How much does it cost? I know. How much is this hydrofoil? It costs with the stealth boat. 5,000. Okay, that is like really expensive. I can go over to the plus shark teeth. We need like 2 of these, but no, I can't afford that. Oh, I can't afford any of these, to be honest. It would be cool to have that. Season greeting Santa. I'm the shark! Yeah, but just as a shark, be prepared to kill everyone.
Ted, whatever you do, if you see a sailboat, don't. If you see that penguin boat we were on there,
Yeah?
if you see a penguin
The rock off
boat,
it,
then
right?
don't destroy it because I'm going to be on that penguin boat.
Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Just waiting. 3, 2, 1, and the shark has been released.
You've been released.
I'm coming to get you guys. Not you though, buddy. Oh no! Sorry. Oh no! Did I kill you?
Yes.
Sorry, it was an accident. I didn't mean to. Stop it. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to.
Maybe before, or you were close enough to
it,
eat.
buddy.
You
This-
two went
We should. We're not allowed to.
across
Stop it.
Someone's
Yes.
kissing you.
Come on, get this guy. Yes. Look.
I think there's a boat near you. I can see a sailboat.
Yeah, there's a sailboat over there. There's somebody in the water. Look. I think that guy was on the sailboat. That's me. Look. Oh, he set up an ambush. The stealth boat. Look. I don't think anybody's like got a stealth boat before. I don't think any shark has got the stealth boat before.
You just came even right through that.
Yes, I got it.
What smells so good?
I know, maybe breakfast. Okay. Don't worry, we can do this. Oh. Okay, I couldn't get that present, and there's a sleigh over here. You can be like my navigator. I guess it was kind of good that I killed you then. Oh, I got 15 shark teeth from that. I just got 15 shark teeth. I just wanna. Where's that stealth boat wreckage? I can't believe I just got a stealth boat. That's crazy. Oh look, there's something over there. Oh look, Claire, can you guys see that? Yes, I killed everyone! I killed everyone! Oh my gosh, you guys, I just killed everyone. Anyway, let's do one more round. Actually, no, let's end the video here. So guys, yeah, let's end the video here. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!